Good day. Our grammar lesson for this week is adjectives. What are adjectives? If we look at the pictures that I have on the screen, I see a little girl that is smiling. If I want to describe this little girl, I say she is happy. The next picture I have a boy that seems mad or he is having a bad day. So if I want to describe this picture, I say he is angry. So what does it mean, an adjective? An adjective describes a person, a place, animal, or a thing. To describe something or someone, we use our 5 senses: taste, hearing, sight, smell, and touch. We use adjectives to tell how something looks like, sounds like, tastes like, feels like, and smells like. Colors, shapes, and sizes are used to describe how things look like. Words like loud, soft, squeaky are used to describe how things sound like. Words like fruity, juicy, spicy are used to describe how things taste like. And words like soft, hard, rough are used to describe how things feel like. Words like fresh, smoky, and flowery are used to describe how things smell like. Complete the table. Let's take a look at our words. Loud, fresh, soft, salty, brown, quiet, small, nasty, low, rough, sweet, hard, pretty, sour, and fruity. My table includes my 5 senses: look, hear, smell, feel, and taste. Now, loud describes how something hear. Quiet, also it tells me how the sound is. Sweet, it tells you the taste of something. Fresh, we always say this room smells fresh, or you need fresh air to smell. Small is something that looks like. Hard, it's how something feels like. Soft, also you feel the soft tissue. Nasty, what a nasty smell! So it is the nasty smell for smelling. Pretty, it's something looking pretty. Salty, it's how something tastes like. Low, the sound is low. Sour also describes the taste of something. Brown is the color, so it's how something looks like. Rough, how something feels like. And fruity is another word that describes or tells about the smell. Oops.